Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best paintless dent repair tools that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Mainlord Auto Body Slide Hammer T-Bar Dent Repair Tool. These dent repair toolkit from Mainlord is durable and convenient. It has a professional design and has a unique arched bridge to adjust spacing for a better fit of the dent. Subsequently, the repair tool is suitable for hail damage, auto dents, and other dents. Also, it will work well on a washing machine, automobile, refrigerator and other surface dents. The T-bar dent puller has a tempered stainless steel construction, making it durable and long-lasting. The dent removal kit is easy to use, thus you do not need to take your car into the repair shop. You can remove a dent in your car for yourself for many times, thus saving you much time and money. The product comes with quality warranty and technical support. Moving on, at number 4, we have the GLISTON DIY 89 PCs Dent Puller Paintless Dent Repair Kit. GLISTON offers heavy-duty and high-quality tools at relatively discounted rates. It includes a total of 89 PCs, including most popular and classic tools like new style POWPDR Dent, Pro 2-in-1 Slider Hammer, Golden Dent Lifter, Knockdown, Mini Dent Puller and Rubber Hammer. The tool is going to save your time and money, as you don't need to pay many dollars in a car repair shop. In addition to that, it is simple to operate, and it is not only perfect for professional car repair people but also DIY paintless dent repair. The tool will entirely remove a dent on refrigerators and motorcycle. It is ideal for dents of sizes from 0.1 to 10 inches that are caused by strike and hail damage. Lastly, the tools come with 2 years of quality warranty. At number 3, we have the BBKANG 60 PCs Hail Dent Lifter Paintless Dent Repair. Recent statistics show that the BBKANG 60 PCs Hail Dent Lifter has many people purchasing of late. First, the repair kit takes care of different size and different shape dent marks, and it is widely used in the washing machine, motorcycle, refrigerator, door ding, hail damage, etc. In addition to that, it will never harm your car paint, and there are no toxic chemicals included. On the other hand, it has a design that is easy to understand and manipulate, allowing you to do the job fast and smooth. Another thing, the tools comes with a tool bag that will stock all the pieces to ensure no small pieces get lost. In summary, this kit is reliable and will save you more time and money. At number 2, we have the Fly 5D Auto Car Body Repair Dent Removal Kit. Transporting your car to a mechanic for a petty issue can be expensive and time-consuming. Fly 5D Auto Car Dent Removal Kit will assist you in repairing those vehicle dents with ease. In addition to that, the tools are made with adjustment knob and stainless steel the handle, making the lifter more durable and sturdy. Also, the kit comes with a high-quality glue gun that works well for vehicle dent repair. Also, this dent removal kit will repair door ding and hail damages found on metal surfaces such as washing machine, motorcycle, refrigerator and more. More so, it is perfect for in DIY home repair, as it is simple to use and does not require professional training. And finally, at number 1, we have the POWPDR Paintless Adjustable Height and Width Dent Repair Kit. Do you have an ugly ding on your vehicle and it is disturbing you? Relax. POWPDR Paintless Toolkit will get you covered. The kit is designed for small and medium dents such as door ding dent and hail dent. It comes with 24 PCs different size and shapes pulling tabs that are ideal for fixing various shapes of dents. What's more, the kit can be used to remove dents from cars, washing machines, refrigerators, and other surface dents. This puller kit comes with a glue stick that does not contain toxic chemicals and has rubber feet on the lifter button that prevent scratching of paints. The tools are likewise made using high-carbon stainless steel, making them durable and serving you for several years. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.